Working with Varonis DatAdvantage Data Security Analytics, DV5 Files contain database information from this enterprise platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these DatAdvantage database files. If you frequently deal with unusual DV5 file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. A .dv5 file is a database table created by DASE for DOS, a popular database management system from the early 1990s. Users who find this file today are typically trying to access or migrate data from a legacy application. The main goal is to convert the outdated format into a modern one, like CSV or SQL. The .dv5 format, like its .dbf predecessors, is a binary file with a header that defines the table structure, field names, data types, lengths. This is followed by the raw data records in a fixed length format. This simple direct access design was optimized for the limited processing power and memory of DOS-based systems. The primary software for DV5 is recognized as DatAdvantage, developed by Varonis. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows provides limited visibility into structured data, requiring a database program for full access. We're performing a compatibility scan. Right-click your DV5 file and choose Open With. Test DatAdvantage first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often reveals the simplest solution. If the DV5 file still will not open, there is no need to stress. General troubleshooting won't work on this DV5 file due to its complexity. We need to check off these specific items before we can attempt the solution. First, opening in DatAdvantage. Access DatAdvantage through the Varonis Web Console or THIC client interface. The application automatically reads associated DV5 database files when retrieving historical data for analysis. Direct manual opening of DV5 files outside DatAdvantage is not supported, as the format is designed for the application's specific analytics functions. Next, querying via DatAdvantage. Use DatAdvantage's reporting and search interfaces to query data stored in DV5 files. Build custom reports for specific time ranges, users, or resources. The application processes the underlying database files, providing actionable security intelligence without requiring direct database access. Schedule reports for regular delivery to security stakeholders. Finally, working with Varonis support. For migration, consolidation, or recovery scenarios involving DV5 files, contact Varonis support for guidance. The proprietary format requires specialized knowledge for direct manipulation. Varonis can assist with database optimization, migration to newer DatAdvantage versions, or extraction of specific data subsets for compliance audits or investigations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.